Hi there, my name is David J. I'm the CEO and co-founder of AICHITECT. I'm also a chartered architect by practice. We're on a mission to de-risk construction, and the very first product that we are launching is helping you to deal with your planning permissions and getting them approved and getting them through. First, you go to obviously sign up, or you can use any of these two buttons, whichever is relevant to yourselves. You can come over here to check if you're ready to submit your planning. If you've got some drawings, got some reports, that type of thing. If you're certain that you're ready, you're about to submit, you're about to pull the trigger and send it into the local authority, this is the prediction tool just here. For those of you who maybe have some questions, you do have Alfred, our AI planning assistant, and basically you're able to speak with him and basically ask questions about your project, ask questions about AICHITECT's tools, and be well informed. If you do need any assistance, or you want to speak to myself, or you need some advice in regards to the tool, or you're having problems with the tool, then just come into here and just request a call. But let's get into the planning checklist. So if I come over here, you can select the different types of project that you want to do, and then you can type in your project address. I just go to start chat, and basically what Alfred will do at this point is start to ask you questions about the project, and essentially what we can do at this point is we upload all our files, everything, and open. So you can see here it gives a summary of what it understands, and prompts you to obviously go and review your project and get your prediction. So now we're in the planning prediction. What we're going to do is just predict the result. Okay, so now we have our decision, and you can see here that it states that it's likely going to be rejected. So if you just press the I, if you process your payment, you then most importantly why that's going to be refused. So here we can see the reasons for a refusal. We can see, the principle of the development is disagreed with. Also, it talks to the uniform run of 2 1960s houses with flats. This is aligned with how the council will issue to this particular applicant. So that's what we provide with AICHITECT. If you have any issues or any questions, please just request a call via Alfred. I would love to have a conversation and talk through things further, and however we can help you to know more, risk less, and see me building your projects. Thank you very much.